Alright, we just got to the park, and guess what we're gonna get?
My favorite.
Ashley's favorite, a citrus swirl.
Citrus swirl. It is so good, I love it.
Another fact, you see bottled water $3. If you ask them for a glass of water, they'll give you a free one. How many you want? 2?
I don't know, 1.
2 citrus swirl. Can I get a water too?
Do you? Oh, you don't get.
Alright, what we're going to do today is show you our 5 favorite snacks at the Magic Kingdom. One of them is...
Dole Whip.
No, that's a citrus swirl. I like the Dole Whip. I like the Dole Whip more than you do.
Apparently. I don't know what I'm eating.
Yep. And you get it over there, which, as you can see, has a scrim up around it. But it's still open.
This is one of my favorite area because I love like what they do with the planners. Like I wish I could have those at my house. I wish I could carry them. They're beautiful.
Yeah, they are pretty.
Goals. Planner goals. Flower
So alright,
goals.
let's see. On our top 5 favorite snacks, one of them is the citrus swirl.
This is Adventureland.
Oh, this is Adventure.
This is Adventureland.
It's in Adventureland.
It's
right
right
when you walk in.
And it's right across from the treehouse.
Right across from Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse. But going on our list of our 5 favorite snacks is the citrus swirl.
And it melts really fast.
That would be the maple popcorn, Frontierland, and the Dole Whip. That's actually a Dole Whip pineapple float. There's 2 more on our list of top 5 snacks. And as you can see, it's 90-something degrees out. Look how it just melts in front of you. I would have to say that I like Dole Whip more than you, right?
Yeah, I mean, I like it, but I like the orange swirl.
It's very
better.
tart. It's going to make you thirsty right afterwards.
Right.
But I think we're both sharing the popcorn.
Yeah.
All right, 2 more. So that's 2 and 3 out of 5. To get our last 2 of our 5 favorite treats.
Is it called the confectionery?
Confectionery. We'll look at a sign when we go out. But Ashley's is
Candy apple.
candy apple with,
Peanut butter chips and chocolate.
and mine is, this is my favorite. I have to get it. Can you see in there? Let me pull it out. A peanut butter cookie. But the cool thing is, we're going to take these home with us because it's going to be a special treat later. But she walked around, and we got
Free sample. I've already eaten mine.
free sample. She's already eaten hers. I'm going to eat mine now.
I feel like I'm glistening. It's a little warm today, so I think we're going to call it a day.
It is super hot.
It's really hot.
It's in the 90s.
And it's only April. It's almost May, so it's to be expected. But it's just hot.
That's our top 5. We got the Dole Whip, citrus swirl, candy apple, maple popcorn, and my peanut butter cookie. Until next time, see you out there sometime.
Bye.
Be sure to follow us on Facebook,
Instagram,
and Twitter. Alright, we just got in the car, and it says it is 100